Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video demonstration I am going to show you how to install Windows Server 2025 on VMware. First of all, I am going to download Windows Server 2025. Open web browser. I am using Mozilla Firefox. You can use any web browser. Open Google website. Press Enter. Type here in Google search bar. Download Windows Server 2025. Press Enter. Click on Microsoft official website link. Let's scroll down. Click on Download the ISO. Fill the information of register for your free trial. After fill information, click on Download Now. Click on ISO Download 64-bit edition. Now the downloading started. It is 5.6 gigabits ISO image file. You will have to wait until the downloading is finished. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Go to Downloads location. Here it is our Windows Server downloaded ISO image file. Now I am going to install Windows Server 2025 on VMware. Go to Windows search bar, type VMware. Click Open. Let's maximize VMware. Click on File. Click New Virtual Machine. Welcome to the new Virtual Machine wizard. Click Next. Select I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Click Microsoft Windows. Click Windows version list. Let's drop down the Windows version. Windows Server 2025 is not in VMware Windows version list, so I am going to select Windows Server 2022. Click Next. This is Virtual Machine default location. I am going to leave as default. Virtual machine name is Windows Server 2025. Click Next. Hard disk capacity. 60 GB enough space of Server 2025 installing. So I am going to leave as default. Click Next. Click Customize hardware. Default RAM size is 2 GB. I am going to increase RAM size to 4 GB. Default processor is 2. Click CD/DVD. Click Use an ISO image. Click Browse. Choose the path of Server 2025 ISO image file. Click Open. Click Close. Click Finish. Click Power on this virtual machine. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Press Enter. I am going to VM screen full size. Screen size is too small, click on Stretch Screen. Select Language Settings, leave as default. Time and currency format. Select English India. Click Next. Select Keyboard Settings, leave as default. Click Next. Select Setup option. Click on Install Windows Server. Click I agree everything will be deleted including files, apps, and settings. Click Next. Select the image you want to install. Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation. Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation, Desktop Version. Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation. Windows Server 2025 Data Center Evaluation, Desktop Version. I am going to install Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation, Desktop Version. Click Next. Applicable Notice and License Terms. Click Accept. Click Create Partition. In this video demonstration, I am using single partition. Click Apply. Select Partition to install Windows in this partition. Click Next. Click Install. Now the installing Windows Server. This Windows installation will take some time. In this video, I am fast forwarding the installation process. Set the administrator password. Re-enter password. Click Finish. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Type your administrator password. Press Enter. Let's drop down to End. Click Accept. Check on Don't show this message again. Let's close this dialog box. Now the Windows Server 2025 is installed successfully. Go to VMware toolbar. Right-click on Virtual Machine. Select Install VMware Tools. Click Install. Close Server Manager. Click File Explorer. Click on this PC. Right-click on DVD drive. Select Install or Run Program from your media. Close this PC console. Welcome to the installation wizard for VMware Tools. Click Next. Setup type is typical. Click Next. Click Install. Go to VMware toolbar. Click on Stretch. Click on Finish. Click Yes to restart the server. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Type your administrator password. Press Enter. As you can see, our Windows Server graphic driver is installed successfully. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.